What if your resume could land interviews instead of being ignored? Most people struggle with job applications, but the surprising truth is that design and clarity matter more than you think. FlowCV is an online resume builder that helps you create professional resumes in minutes. You enter your details, choose a template, and download your file. The interface is simple, and you can edit sections easily. FlowCV also supports cover letters and multiple versions. In conclusion, FlowCV is a great option for job seekers who want fast, clean resumes. Subscribe for more app and career tool reviews. Title start Medishare health insurance review usage experience title PND script start what if the health insurance you choose is not really insurance at all? Most people don't realize this until it's too late. The surprising truth about Medishare is that it works very differently from traditional health plans. And if you don't understand the system, you could be shocked by what happens next. Let's walk through how Medishare actually works, what my usage experience feels like, and whether it is a smart choice for you. Medishare is a healthcare sharing ministry, not a typical insurance company. Instead of paying premiums to an insurer, members share each other's medical bills. Each month, you send in a share amount, and that money is used to help pay for other members' medical expenses. In return, when you have an eligible medical bill, the community helps cover it. When you sign up, you choose a monthly share amount and an annual household portion, which works like a deductible. For example, you might pay around $300 per month and have a $3,000 household portion. This means you pay the first $3,000 of medical bills each year before sharing begins. Here is where most people get this wrong, but here's why it matters. Medishare does not guarantee payment like insurance does. It shares eligible expenses based on program guidelines and member participation. That means certain conditions, treatments, or lifestyle-related issues may not be shared at all. In daily use, Medishare feels simple. You visit a doctor, tell them you are a Medishare member, and ask for a self-pay rate. You upload your bill through the online portal, and once it is approved, other member shares help pay it. Payments usually take a few weeks, sometimes longer for large claims. One of the biggest benefits is cost. Many families report saving hundreds of dollars per month compared to traditional insurance. Another benefit is flexibility with doctors. You are not restricted to a narrow network like many insurance plans. However, the downside is uncertainty. Claims are not guaranteed, and preventive care is limited. This is not ideal for people who want predictable coverage or who have ongoing medical conditions. In conclusion, Medishare can work well for healthy families who want lower monthly costs and are comfortable with shared responsibility. But if you need full protection and guaranteed coverage, this may not be the right fit. If this helped you, subscribe for more honest reviews before you make important financial decisions.